Cyrus, hello. I'm just checking sound settings and quality. Good. Twitch gave us to HD to 160 pixel resolution. That's nice. Everything seems okay right now. My voice, the music level, and the resolution seems okay. Will you launch private clash or public? Private clash. We always create a private clash. Because we in public clash, so other people can join as well. I mean, this is not what I really want. Okay, let me check the last things. Yeah, everything seems fine right now. Yeah, I think this is us. Yeah. I mean, it passed to streaming's channel as well. Okay, everything seems fine right now. Check the sounds. Also, sound seems okay. My voice and the music level is enough, not too much, I think. Maybe a little bit. I should a little bit higher the music. Yeah, that seems okay, I think. Welcome. Okay, let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copy the link and where is the move boot? Custom commands. I should change this one. And yeah, you can type exclamation.link to get the current link. Al Hassan, welcome. Yeah, I think we are now 4 people in the first clash of the day. That's nice. The Jew. Thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream, man. Oh, this should test the test case to be honest here. Only itself. Yeah. Unflow, exclamation mark link, you can write. I think you need to take each character and then dismiss the one after each console. Yeah, you can write it. I mean, you can also join the GIF if you want. Exclamation dot link. This give you to join that current clash. So let me try this one. Okay, this one, the plus one. Oops, I need the padding also. You want to become my moderator? I have been here in here a lot. I don't chat a lot. Really? But you following since 4 minutes ago. Augusto, thanks for follow. Welcome to stream. I don't need any moderator right now, honestly. So I should. How many? Okay, Yeah, the inputs are right, but only the padding. How many? Maybe there is a min. Yeah. Add left. I think this should be work. No. Total length. This asks total length. So this one. Plus min, and you add that one as a string dot length plus min. Oh, this should work, I think. Let's play all test cases. That is nice, perfect. So I can submit it. This is fun, difficulty is perfect, and test case relevancy is ideal, so I can submit. Beans, welcome. Ahirox also solved. Okay, there are only 4 minutes, almost 4 minutes left. Be careful about the padding, by the way. Okay, Alasan, you can check my code or Sahir Rock's code. He also solved in Python. Oh, you had issues with space, but I think it passed one test cases as well. For example, for test, for the how to the error one, yeah. For the test, for the heading issue, I think you have to calculate the current string and the minimum of the, I don't know if you have to calculate the start and substrings, but you can check my code as well. Ampulo is also solved. Pins also solved. Hakan, welcome. Only 3 people left right now. Okay, now the clash is complete, and you can check my code as well. I mean, you can check Sahirok's code also, and this is how I solved it, by the way. And if the message length is even number, so I write as an error to console and return it. So I try to define 2 points for string and start points and end points. So for string length iteration, I have to always calculate minimum and maximum of that values, because one is start and one is end, and they getting close to each other for every iteration. After the middle of the string, start one will be bigger than the end one. That's why I have to calculate minimum and maximum strings here. And I also calculate the substring of minimum starting from minimum and maximum minus minimum plus 1 length, and also calculate the pad left with this current string plus minimum the total length, and it should add white space if it is needed. And after every iteration, I increase the start point and I decrease the end point. So I mean, I solved this way and it passed all the test cases. Okay, let's back to home. Let's start private clash, start a new one. I just copy the link and where is custom commands? I missed that. No, don't write right now. Yeah, I save it right now. You can type !link. This is the previous one, by the way, first one. I mean, please don't write too early because it takes a few seconds to update in Moboot that link, the current link. Yeah, you seems already joined. Top Deadpool, thanks for follow. Welcome to stream. So we I probably can solve this one. Yeah, this one is too hard for me. Maybe not too hard, maybe, but for 15 minutes I probably couldn't figure that. Okay, there is a white space here, but so I increase the white space and decrease the white space here, and after maybe I need to do some iteration also in that for loop. I iterate for every line here. Also, I iterate for how many that top rights. I don't know, maybe. Yeah, I think two for loop that I needed here. I always increase the previous white space and between these two characters. Maybe. Oh, Sahir wrote Soul in Python. I see Matilda. Thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Yeah, I probably can't even solve this one. I mean, I probably couldn't do anything in 3 minutes either. Let's submit. Okay, there are steeple blues clashing, Sham, Membuk, Architecture, Seaboy, Sunflow. Let's wait for them. It was not fine. Difficulty, I think it's hard. One is hard, for me at least. And test case relevancy is ideal. I was able to solve on the left side or mountain, right side was broken for me. Okay, let's wait for other people to complete and check. After that, we can check the submitted code. Architecture is also solved in C, that's nice. Okay, only 1 minute left. By the way, I'm giving a 1 minute break. Okay. Okay, two people solved this one. Okay, let's check Sahil code. Range n-1. Okay, this is really beyond my understanding. Okay, let's check architecture's code for E. Okay, so G is less than E plus 1. Okay, for K, n minus E minus 1. Oh, okay, then it's minus 1, for example, for the first line. I think you print 3 white space. Okay, then print this one. Okay, so for K is 0, K less than 2 times I minus J. Okay. Oh, 2 times. That's why we should write 6, 4, and 2 white space. Yeah. Okay, I get it. That's nice. And printf this one, and I is 0, less than n minus 1, n minus e minus 1. If j is less than I, printf. I don't understand why this if needed here. Okay, I completely understand all the code except for this if. Oh, it's for deleting trailing space. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, I understand. Okay, now I see. That's nice. I mean, it's a nice solution. And C does not have such a functionality, I think, as like trim or something. That's nice. Okay, let's back to home. Oops. What is going on? What is this? I accidentally closed the CodinGame page. Oops, sorry about that. I will fix it. Nope. Not this one, and yeah. Now fix it right now. Okay, let's get back to home. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copy the link and update it in the comments. You can now type !link in the chat to get the current link. Lusterport, welcome. First time to see you here. And Gogo, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. A lot of people, 13 people right now, that's nice. Oops, I failed. Wait a second, what am I missing here? What am I missing here? Looks like I'm missing something very obvious, but as a lot of people already solved. Okay, I think my code is completely wrong here. Coder Nilu, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. Okay, I will delete all of them. So I should first of all know. Yeah, first of all, write the current no matter what. If plus 1 write the white space after it. I am new to your channel, welcome. We are solving coding game problems, which is called Clash of Code. And if you don't know, if you don't familiar with what's CodinGame is a programming questions website. Kobus Koini, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. Sure, you can always join with !link, which is the probably gives you the current right now Clash, and even if you can still probably can join this one, and also you can join the next one as well. One is overflow by the way. T-Boy also sold, that's nice. Ali Hassan ve Letunberg only who are still clashing. Mustra, hi. I am from Turkey. Okay, the clash is complete right now. Lettenberg and Al Hassan has also sold in JavaScript. That's nice. Yeah, I mean, as Pins right in the chat, I think the clear way is to check the previous one. For example, I write the first character in here and starting from one index to that length for the string. I check the previous one is a letter and the current one is letter, so I added a white space between these characters, and I also write the current character as well. This is, I think, the simplest approach as far as I can see. Anyone know a good way to check if a character is letter? Because I always have to put an array of letter in JavaScript. Oh, in JavaScript, maybe there is a maybe you can ask it by Google. I mean, it's a you can find it by googling it, I think. Drav Yeme, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. I think this is the most simplest way to solve this question. Maybe, I don't know, there are a lot of people also already solved. We all solved in Ruby. Pins is also solved in Python. Oh, that's nice. Is there on the JavaScript? Maybe Al-Hassan solved in JavaScript also. Yeah, okay. Let's back to home. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. And I am making the command itself. I just need a few seconds. Yeah, you can type exclamation.link for the current link. Please don't write any links. Maybe the bot thinks it's this function. Maybe there's a dot, and yeah, there's a link in the function. Is the bot open source? Which bot you are talking about? I am using MoveBoot. Perlebe, welcome. First time to see you. Yep, I can submit it. I think it's a fun. It's a quite fun actually. I mean, not kind of fun. It's fun. Difficulty is easy. Test case relevancy is ideal. Pearlback, you only pass 33%. Oh yeah, I think you some kind of misunderstand the current. This is not because this is not what probably question. Okay, a lot of people are already on this one. Nice. There are only 5 people left. Green, Dev, Sound, Programmer, Al Hassan, Architecture, CEOs, Membook has already solved. Lacrimalis, hello. Yeah, this is the English stream right now. Real Bigos, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Any hint? Sure. You should look hints. Probably you should look 10 and 55. 55 input, I think. It's really, it gives you the biggest hint. 10 and 55. Codingame, really enjoy your stream even if I am the first viewer. Okay, that's nice. I mean, what's the correlation between 10 and 55? Some other test cases might be confuse people. Oh, shut up, Streamlabs. No, 10 plus 10 multiple 1 plus 45. No, that's not that. Lettenberg has also solved. This pins write some symbols in the chat. If Streamlabs was a moderator, probably he will give Streamlabs give him a timeout. But hey, don't break Streamlabs, okay? Be nice to him. Yeah, pins all this as well. Okay, there is only C-Boy is still clashing, and C-Boy sold 60%, 16%. Oh my god, kill me now. Yeah, since there's a weird situation. I mean, since we always look very complex solutions in CodinGame, sometimes we can't just figure it out how easy ones can be solved. Okay, I mean, the question was all about, and you can multiple with n plus 1 and n as a health, which might be some floating point, of course, which is, for example, like 7. You have to multiple with 8, which is 7 plus 1, and you have to multiple with 3.5, which is the health of the and in points to make you solve an escalation in X programming language. Add in points to the option make you solve an escalation in X programming language. I mean, I don't wanna people solve in specific language. Honestly, people should choose whatever language they want. Didn't your method also can be? Okay. It's nice. Oh, probably everyone solved this way, right? Yeah. I mean, and oh, this one is simpler, I think. Yeah, and multiple and plus 1 and divide by 2. Which is the floor, get the floor one. Yeah. Okay, that's nice. Do you guys memorize all these formulas? I know there isn't even numbers up to n, odd numbers up to n, sum of all numbers to this one, but remember them? No. Will be interesting. I mean, I honestly don't formula. I don't remember any of them, honestly. TOs, what is the meaning of that tilde? I think that tilde returns minus 1. No, tilde returns minus n minus 1, right? I think tilde n is equal to minus n minus 1, if I remember correctly. Yeah, it does the same as n plus 1 because there is a minus sign before the that. It returns both minus n to plus n and minus 1 to plus 1. But C# has many type of native helper functions. That's a plus. But I mean, not too much, honestly. For example, Ruby and Python has more functionality for this kind of questions. Yeah, that's nice. That's very nice usage, by the way. Okay, let's back to home and let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copy the link and let me where's that? Where's this one? No, don't right now. I just need to update. Yeah, I updated the link, so you can type exclamation.link to get the current one. Yeah, don't type too early. I will say it to the current one, because for as you can see, I should always update for !link at least, update the in mulboot commands, and it takes 10 or 15 seconds. Oh, a lot of people are joining today. Wild Gene, welcome. Long time no see, man. Welcome. Nice to see you. How are you? I hope you're okay. We are now 15 people. Wow, that's nice. What? Really? There is. Weird. Oh, maybe it looks for a string. Let's play this one. Oh my goodness, I really like... oops. What? Well, it might be results that count is 0, then right not write this one. That is nice. So I can submit it. Okay, COs 3 if and def and Pearl Beach was already sold. Oop, pins, I think maybe you forget the none case. No, you didn't. Sure, letter mark. I can explain the question. I can explain the question and the solution as well. At the end of the clash, of course. Since maybe you might wrongly calculate the boundaries, maybe. I don't know. I didn't check your code properly, but oh, Bilgan. This is 0%. Okay. It's fun. I like this kind of questions. Perfect. Test case relevancy is ideal. Al Hassan is also sold. I didn't inclusive of last. Maybe that's why. Inclusive last. Oh, maybe. Yeah, maybe that's the one. I mean, did I? Yeah, I can't. I actually take the root, and it counts. I use inclusive that root as well. And that might be the probable case. Ah, okay, Pilgan, no worry. I don't know how to read multiple input if size is not specified. Really, in this case you don't need. I mean, there are only two inputs here. One is integer and the second one is string. Yeah, Pins, you're right. It's less or equal, maybe right usage exactly. I mean, for that case, I mean, if you're asking these questions, you only have two inputs. First one is integer, and the second one is string. But second string is contains white separated integers. Armand the Gift, thanks for follow. Welcome to stream. For these, for example, for this input, you have to split the second string as a white space to get all the items as an individual ones. Wild Gene, do you have some stream planning, by the way? I miss you to watch, man. Do you have any schedule in these days? Okay, we can talk. Lighting, thanks for follow. Welcome to stream. Bilgen, after the stream, you can. Did you join my Discord, or you can message from there. We can talk from there if you want. Yeah, I think we talked before in Discord, right? I mean, we have maybe some no, there is no message between us. I remember we talked before in somewhere, but I can't remember correctly. I thought this was Discord, but maybe not. I'm not sure. Okay. There's only 5 minutes left, and a programmer solved in 50%, really? Oh, does not mean it could be. No, this is not what question is about. Also, you should not start with 2, not start, you should, the question is asking you to start 1. I think you might be misunderstand the question. I'm a programmer, I'm only 16, not very good at with C++. Okay, that's fine. You can. I mean, you have a really nice age if you're looking for some programming and you like it, and it's a great age to become more work in more programming and more you can do practice every day. You can join my stream. I will be, as you can see, we only practice programming and other programming related stuff as well. I am 16 too, I want to be the best. We must make mistakes. Yeah, I mean, if we want to be the best, we must make mistakes. Exactly. I mean, most of the programming careers start with a lot of mistakes, obviously. But please don't compare to. I mean, this is the best. Might be too much for some people. Maybe honestly, I mean, you should not compare with other people. Every people can have their own I don't know, intelligence, own learning process, or any other things. You only need to compare yourself with the last day of you, I think. I mean, you have to make more practices and learn new things every day. I think this is the core things for programmers. Okay, that's nice. Al Hassan Architecture has also sold. Is this finished? No, there's only 1 minute left. Yeah, I mean, I don't like to compare myself to any other programs. I mean, there are a lot of programmers who are better than me. I know that. I mean, it's okay. My intelligence and their intelligence might be different, and I couldn't understand very quickly like them. I know that, but that's not end of the world. I think you just need to compare yourself for a few days of yourself. I mean, I think Jeff Atwood, Stack Overflow co-founders, has a really nice blog post about it. I mean, you should not compare yourself to another one. You should only compare yourself to to 1 year ago of yourself. Let me check. Maybe I can find this article as well. Let me check it. What was his name? Let's check. Yeah, let's check. I mean, Jeff Atwood's great article, which is why I am the best programmer in the world. I write in the chat, by the way. I really recommend to read all the programmers to that one. I mean, the title seems like clickbait, but it is definitely not. And pronunciation is a bitch. Yeah, exactly. I mean, this is the at the end. I mean, but it's not our job to be better than anyone else. We just need to be better than we were a year ago. I think this is the core key for this blog post. So I passed it in the chat. You can read it if you want. Oh, the glitch is complete. That's nice. My god, there is so many packages to import in Golang, probably. Where's the Golang? Golang. Yeah, here. Yeah, I mean... Okay. Okay, here what I did, by the way. First of all, I calculate the floor of the square root of the given number, which is m, and I created a results list as an integer which doesn't contains the second string. So starting with 1 and ei less or equal than the root, I will check that splitted white spaces array contains the current item square. If it doesn't contain, so I will write it as my result list here as a square, and if result count is equal, that means I don't have any root number to add that list. I should write none. If there is not equal to 0, that means I have at least one element in the result. I write it as a space separator for every items. I mean, this is the I think this might be the best, not the best, maybe not the best stopwatch, but this is the easiest way to, I think, solve the problem. Yeah, I mean, we can easily use link as well. So, okay, and I think everyone can clearly understand this question, and it's the solution, of course. So let's create a new one. Let's back to home. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. Let me customize the commands. Yeah, I just saved it. You can type !link to the chat. It'd be good to go through some non-solving cases. We learn our slips. What? I don't understand. Non-solving cases. So we learn our... Oh, okay, mistakes and errors. Oh, okay. Now I see. Patient, welcome. Kenshin, first time to see you. Welcome to stream. Oh, 15 people right now. Oh my god, the air is quite cold right now. Jimmy Mühendis, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. Okay, Bilgan, thank you. Wow, this is so fast. Exactly, Ajay Manis, you are so right. I mean, my English is not perfect, as you can see, but I can easily communicate and communicate with chat, communicate with people, and I can easily explain and solve the questions. So that's enough for me. But I didn't see this one. No, it is too early for a hint right now. You have to push yourself first. If I don't get it within the first few minutes, I won't get it at all. I mean, maybe you need to focus harder for the test cases. You heard the balls, yeah. I didn't even see either. I mean, a lot of people already saw, but I didn't see either. Oh, now I see. I think this is correct. Maybe this one. No, I'm doing the same thing again. I should start with one. I plus one. And oops. Oh my. What the hell is going on here? Fine. Charge. We need to oh no. Yeah. Oops. I minus mine. And return. Oh, there's an error here. What? Oh, since it's an index or it's a read-only. Okay. That should work, I think. No, it didn't work. Because it should be +1. Yeah. So, other test cases. The all test cases. Test 3 failed. Ferris, welcome. Oh, from the end, or from the maybe. The ends as a no. Oh, wait a second. How this one can return age here? This shouldn't be return age. Oh, this one should be then, since I return it, this should be 1. Why I always think something complicated with so strange. Why not just I can oh my goodness, I always overthink these kind of questions. Oh, that's a shame. I always think overthinking. That's bad. Never mind. Oops, 75%? Really? Let's check pins. Are the ads for all the same time? Which ads? I mean, there is an ad in channel? I don't even know, honestly. Oh really? I don't even know. Since Twitch doesn't give us, as far as I know. Oh, that interrupted stream, really? Oh. I didn't know that. I checked some ad options, but as far as I can see, Twitch doesn't give any ad. Maybe, I don't know, Twitch maybe thinks that we are now something valuable. I mean, I don't know. I think it's maybe for non-premium users or so. Just wondering if everyone gets the cut off at the same time. C# just looks exactly like TypeScript, or I am seeing a dream. Wait a second, I probably didn't even understand the question. What does zip do here? I mean, what was wrong with my code? So let's check it. If the current character is bigger than the next character, I write next character. Is this something also once by the question? I mean, I don't know. There's only 2 minutes left. Only 3 people left. A lot of people already solved. Probably I am missing something, but you are starting from the second character. That's right, because the first character in that cases, for test cases, there's no first character to at least write it. Ferris, you can type exclamation dot link. Zip pairs both given inputs. For E in range, land W. Okay. Oh, as a sorted one. Okay. If it breaks from I doesn't equal the sorted one, print that character. So why am I getting 75% in my code? Does anyone have an idea? Or maybe the validation test cases have some that break the rules for the first character. Oh, that might be the point, I think. Yeah, that might be the point. Oh my goodness, I am getting so dark right now since sun is go down. Just a second, by the way. Okay, I think everything seems right. Skips a char. Anyone help me? I wanna know what is the log and log 2. You can Google them. Queries, I mean. Okay, yeah, I see what I didn't agree, but what's wrong with my code actually? It's fun, difficulty is easy, test relevancy is ideal. A lot of people are already sold. That's great. Pins, CEOs, Pearl Beach, 3 in and Dev, Patient, Hamza, Paranoid, T-Boy, Matthew has already sold. That's nice. I mean, log 2 is the base is 2. For example, log 8, comma 2, log 2, log 2 with parentheses 8 returns 3. Okay, that's nice. I mean, a lot of people already understand and solved it. That's nice. Let's back to home. And let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. And I just try to change the custom commands. You can give me 1 second. Yeah, you can type exclamation.link to chat to get the current link. I really like this lofi music, by the way. It's such a nice music. It's relaxing, it's concentration, gives concentration. Yeah, I really like this kind of musics, especially in stream, and they have no copyright, which is and I think this is the biggest thing for me, since I always by the way, if you don't know, you can type exclamation like social, my Twitter and YouTube account as well. You can see the other. I try to export all the Twitch streams to my YouTube channel as well. If you want to check again after the stream, after the later, for example. And try to create some lead code questions also in my YouTube channel. And if you are familiar with lead code, it's a programming questions website also. And I try to solve some lead code questions on there. If you want to check it, you can type exclamation social to the chat. Oh my god, I remember this question. I couldn't solve this in past. Hmm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 5. This is the first one. Saru, thanks for the follow. Thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Yeah, you can solve in Python as well. You can join exclamation link to the chat. I mean, CodinGame supports a lot of programming languages, as you can see that drop down in the Clash, and there's a Python as well in here. You can solve which language you want from that list. sorry. Paris Mustafa has also sold, that's nice. Coronate also sold, that's nice. Brief and Dev also sold. By the way, my sub goal is too small. Is this too small? I mean, maybe some people, maybe that's why I don't get any sub. Okay, let's make it bigger than the the shame for the shame. Okay, is this one right? Maybe this one should be bigger like this. How many subs do you have currently? Let me check. I don't know. Where is it? Where is the sub count? In my dashboard. Yeah, I have 10 subscribers right now. I have 10 subs. Okay, Sean also sold. Asparix also sold. Well, it's such a bad way to express. Let me make it smaller than. I mean, it seems too big. Oy. Such a bad way to transition. Yeah, this one is smaller, I think. Yeah, this one is better. Codinilo, please don't write all the code in the chat. I mean, hey, it's the first problem with you. That's nice. What happens if sub goal achieved? I mean, that's actually my sub goal to my based on my stream. How many hours in stream, or and my stream relevancy. I think. I mean, I stream this hours in a day, or this hours in a week, and I try to get this number of people as a subscriber. I mean, you don't get anything. You just set a goal for yourself, and you can achieve. You can check if you achieved or not. Yeah, bubblegum turtle. Okay, Sunflower is also sold. Only the Seaboy is still clashing. Just like a lot of people already sold. Oh, Bilgehan White Chain is also joined. Okay, 3.5 minutes left. I think Bilgehan can solve this one in 3.5 minutes. Yeah, he can probably solve this one. It's too hard for Turkish viewers to subscribe to any streamers currently, I guess. I mean, why? I mean, there are a lot of Turkish streamers to get thousands of people to have a subscriber. I mean, it's you probably said that because of the, I think the ratio between USD dollar and Turkish lira. But I mean, you can subscribe with any account with Prime, Amazon Prime, for example. Let me type. If you type, for example, should be a command exclamation mark Prime as a Turkish people, for example. You can use Amazon Prime for the first month as a completely free, and the other months you can have it for 8 Turkish lira, and it gives you the to subscribe for one channel per month with that Amazon Prime account. Every month you can have additional one subscription choice. Oops, White Chain couldn't solve this one. Okay. Okay, there's only a boy left. How many we have? 1 minute and 20 seconds. Bilgehan, you can check my code as well if you wanna see it. How can I solve this? King, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Oh, Seals just subscribe with Twitch Prime. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Seals. I really appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, the clash is complete. Seaboy couldn't solve this one. Okay. I created a solution like this. I don't know if there an easier way or not. But this is the first thing that comes to my mind. I created an array for source string and the target string. So first of all, I have to write the source first, because every output it starts with the source one. So I check all the character in the both strings, and if there is a different character at the same index, I just a second, by the way. My door knocked. Sorry about that. Where we left? Yeah, I created for iteration for every character is both strings, and if I see different character, I assign the target character to the source array. I assign the target array to source array, and I string as a string representation for that source array. And this is the first thing that comes to my mind, and it passed all the test cases, honestly. Paris, thank you so much. I mean, I'm sure there are a lot of people can solve with different ways, but this is the first things to come to my mind, so it passed also all the test cases. Okay, let's back to home. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copy the link and give me 15 seconds to edit the custom command. Oops. I couldn't even clearly. Yeah, you can type right now exclamation link to the chat. You can get the current flash. Alice is invite. Oh, let's invite Alice. It will be nice. No, there is only one exclamation mark. Exclamation mark link. I think Alice. Oh, Alice also joined. Alice, that's nice. Yeah, Turkish people, for example, Mubut write in the chat with Amazon Prime Turkish. My sub goal is 5 next 5 days. Okay, there's a reverse mode. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait a second. 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, okay. I think I understand. Kolios, thanks for follow. Welcome to stream. Ferris, there should be a subscribe button in the under the channel name or something. Broken Deox, hello, welcome. What? No one have already found. Let's play all this case. Oops, I should write as a value, not the key. That is nice, so I can submit my question. My solution, not my question. Oops, Alice is AFK, I think. He probably, if he wasn't AFK, he probably solved this one in less than probably 20 seconds. Broken, this is my hobby, so I stream whenever I have an empty free time. So you probably see the same things for next 3 months also. Probably Discover Challenger, yeah, might be. I think it's fun, its difficulty is perfect, and Tessia's relevancy is ideal. Collis, Patient, Matthew, Paris, Aspharex, Sean, and Seos, 66 and 49%. Oh, this is not only all count, maybe. I think that's not only the all count. More 33%. I think that's not what also. I don't know, honestly. Yeah, 13 seconds is the difference, huh? Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Yeah, 0 seconds as for exam fails. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, being sorted by language after C++ before. How many minutes to go for the next game? Okay, let's check. How many minutes? It's 6.5 minutes, but if the people already complete without even hits the 0, so we can start a new one. What's my Instagram name? There should be a command for it, I think. Exclamation mark Instagram? No? I don't know, it should be a command like that. If I remember correctly. Exclamation mark Instagram, maybe. Let me check Moobot custom commands. Yeah, there is this. Yeah, I remember correctly. And this is my Instagram, which is the same as my Twitch username also. Also, my Twitter name, my YouTube name, all are the same. It's my name and surname. Okay, paranoid Android and submitted. Okay, there are only 6 people still clashing. Alice is probably AFK, I mean, since he is the best, the highest rating person on the coding game as a Clash of Code. Are there any solve with JavaScript? No. I mean, you can check my solution also, Paranoid. It's clearly you can create a map for JavaScript, for example. You can easily create a map and form my dictionary instead. And yeah, there's a Go solver here. Sean, solve with Go. He uses Go a lot of times. Yeah, Alice is something else. I mean, yeah, he's such a beast. Also, more people still joining the Clash. That's nice. How many minutes left? We have almost 3.5 minutes. Oh, while Gene is also solved in C#. Architecture 33, programmer 33%. Yeah, I mean he's something else. He has sold more than 4,300 public clashes. I mean, here's something else. Do you know the story of the logo with below this dynasty? I don't know honestly, Luffy. I don't know. Yeah, he's the #1 user for Clash of Clans. He's such a nice music, by the way. I really like this. Such a relaxing and soft. Okay, last 48 seconds. Okay, C-Boy 50%. Okay. He solved in C. Are there any C solvers? No, not that. Other than his? No. Architecture solved in C 33%. Sunflow solved 100%. That's nice. In 3 minutes, yeah. Okay, now Clash is completed. In Samza and Ali still seems Clash. Here's how I solved, by the way. I created a dictionary, which is a lot of languages have this hash map or something like that. I created a dictionary for every character, distinct character, and it is the count of how many counts it's seen in the string. So I created a for each loop in here for checking every character. If the character is letter and it already contains in that dictionary, I increase its value, which is the how many counts, how many times I've seen in that character. If it is not contains as a key in dictionary, I will add it as a 1. So that means I will see this is the first time I saw that character, and I will add to dictionary. After that, I ordered dictionary by descending order and take all the values with key value pairs, take all the values and get the first one, which is the most seen character as a key value, and take the value, which is the how many times it's seen in that string. No, something to do with vowels. I couldn't see how. Something with vowels and consonants. No, it's only the letters you should care about. I mean, I probably, yeah. I mean, this one seems so easy to use dictionary, so I solve it this way, and probably there are other ways to solve, but this is the first thing that comes to my mind, and it passes all the test cases. Yeah, exactly. Okay, let's back to home. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copy the link and try to update the custom command. And update it, and you can type exclamation.link to the chat. You can get the current one. Alice, welcome, nice to see you. You are... I was trying to do with whitespace. I mean, yeah, Alice sometimes try to do with whitespace also. I got there about 2 minutes late, yeah. You can type exclamation link to get the current link. Nate, first time to see you here, welcome. Oh my god, we're already 15 people. Wow, we are now 19 people, that's nice. Remo, first time to see you here, welcome. Oh. Okay. Let's try like that. No, 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 no. That's not. I think I again I overthinking. There is no hint right now. I mean, there are still 11 minutes. You can't push yourself to understand at least. Oops. Okay, semicolon here. What? Takes out of range. This case for. Ahmed, thanks for follow. Welcome to stream. Because of this one. Okay, I can write this one better, I think. Yeah, I can write this. I delete this one. I don't like this one. How I can write this? So I can write this very more readable, I think. Yeah, I can write this more readable. And I don't even write this one. Yeah, I'm again I overthinking probably. Oh my god, Nibble Bites. Thank you so much, man. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Thanks for the Twitch Prime, man. I really appreciate that. Finally, yeah. Thank you so much. I probably screwed this up, honestly. I mean, my code shouldn't be that much complicated. Oops, oops, oops. No, 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 no. Check the last test cases. Oh. Oh, wait a second. Oh, yeah, you're right. Nothing to do with digit checking. Okay, don't give any hints, by the way. But a lot of people already solved. We are looking some more wrong approach. Try another. Why certain intelligences are not considered? Okay, I'm trying another approach, but I will try to check. So I mean, this is exactly what I try to do here. Am I overthinking again? Okay, I mean, I tried somewhat very different, somewhat very probably wrong way, but it might pass the test cases, but it might not be past the validation. Let's try this one. Okay, it passed all test cases, but I really don't like what I write here. Do I... Can I think any other test cases? I mean, I really don't know. Maybe there are some better way to solve this one. And probably this, since I write as a first and last digits, last characters always, it might not pass the validation also. But I really don't think any other thing that comes to my mind. Okay, I can submit it. I mean, I don't know. Wow, 100%. That's nice. It's fun, difficulty perfect, test case, relevancy ideal. Let's check Alice how to solve this one. Okay, maybe I should like more understandable code for me. COS is the best solution. Let's check COS. Wait, what? What is the meaning of that? I mean, this one is take reverse. No, not the reverse. From the at the end of the given input, I think. Wait a second, wait a second. Prints every... The 2 is a slice step. This means we take every... Oh my goodness, this is... Oh my goodness. This is what the question is about? Oh, you only take this... Oh... Then you... As an index, for example, you only take... Nate, thanks for follow, welcome to stream. You only take the... even index characters. Paris, have a good day. Oh my goodness. Oh, is this... Wait a second. No, that's right. It should only take the even index characters. Yeah. Oh my goodness. I said myself, I overthinking, I again overthinking the question. Yeah, 0, 2, 4, 6, and etc. Oh my goodness. And Alice solved it in a different way, I think. I got to figure out and end up in a deep hole. Yeah. Yeah, looks like Alice solved in a different way. Oh my goodness, I knew it. I always overthinking such a questions. Yeah, Valchin, you're right. Exactly. Now I understand. Okay, the clash is complete. That's nice. And a lot of people has already come kind of at least solved. That's nice. Let's back to home. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copy the link and let me edit my custom command. No, don't write right now. And I saved. Yeah, I saved right now, and you can type !link in the chat. And Ju, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. You can write !link to get the link. Oh, okay. Someone can join. So in a some way I thought maybe I wrong the paste link. Maybe I pasted the wrong link. Okay, we are now 16 people. Wow. This was slow for about. Yeah, sometimes the Moobot try to paste the same links over and over to chat. Sometimes if it's already written in the chat, they send you as a private message. Pervert bot, yeah. Okay, we are now 17 people. Oh, Ali is 0%. This is the first time Ali's have a 0%. Why would I start? This string. Char. Anyway. Yeah, that's right. I didn't even test case. I thought it was so easy. Got bit of one by one error. Yeah, this is the first time I saw. This one's easy. Test case relevancy is ideal. Yeah, let's check where Alice has some mistake. Gorky Maxim, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. N times I put I to S string to multiple times. Oh, this one starts counting at 0, not 1. Oopsie. Oh, okay. Now I understand. Yeah, these are so close, exactly. I mean, it's a quite easy question. Probably everybody can solve this one. More the practice we do, we can solve quickly. Exactly, we just need to be in the flow. Exactly. One to n plus one print as an that's probably Python way, right? That's probably Python way. Okay, everybody, does everybody solve? Yeah, only the C-boy. Come on, C-boy, you can do this. We trust you. That's great. Oh my god. The only one who couldn't solve this one, Alice. I mean, shame on you, Alice. Shame on you. So this is the proof. Actually, Alice is not a Android. Then there is some questions who even Alice can solve. That's a very motivation for me. I mean. Yeah, he's so bad. I mean, he's so bad. Yeah. Another reason 2020 is a bad year. Exactly. 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 No, he's not a bot. We thought he's an Android at first, honestly, but since this one write it as a at least submitted as a wrong way, we might not get it wrong, and he might not have a 100. Okay, guys. Only bot does that probably, yeah. Yeah, Alice, we believe you, Alice, right now. We believe you. You're a human being. We saw this one. You're a human being right now, for everyone. Yeah, exactly. So, I mean, let's call it a, by the way. Yeah, Alice, of course. I mean, Alice is something else. We are just joking about him. Alice is something else. And Theos, Hamza, Newt, Avikrit, Patience, Polios, Asparax, Nate, Sunflow, Rohit, Matthew, Sean, Int, Wild Jean, June, T-Boy, and Alice. Thank you so much for joining me today. It's more than 3 hours I am streaming, and I have to go to dinner. Honestly, I am a little bit tired and thirsty, and I have to eat something at least. But I will probably be back in 2 hours, and we'll stream again. And if you wanna join, if you join as well, I mean. See you for the next one. Thanks you for all. I mean, I will probably stream in 2 hours again, as I said. Well, clash later. Yeah, I mean, if you wanna check my social accounts, I will pass it to chat, and you can check my Twitter and YouTube account as well. And if you wanna support my channel, as I said, you can always subscribe my channel. It's always a big support for me, actually. And thank you so much for joining me tonight. I'm a little bit tired after 3 hours stream, honestly, and I have to eat something, I have to drink something, and I will probably, as I said, I will probably stream and in 2 hours later. And thank you so much for joining me again, and thank you, and bye bye.